Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete or uninstall your AnCrypto application from your device. Find the application on your home screen and simply long press on the application. And you can find Remove Application option. Click on it and click on Delete App button. Now click on Delete again and your application will be deleted. Or you can also remove it from the settings. Go to your phone settings. Now go to Generals tab and go to Phone Storage. After that, search for an application here, or you can also search it in the search bar at the top. Simply type in the name of your application and click on it. Here you can see Delete App button. Click on it and confirm it once again. As you can see that your application has been deleted. So that is how you can uninstall or delete your application from your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.